How to change delivery address on Amazon. So the first step is by opening your Amazon app and then go ahead on your profile found on the bottom mid of the screen. And then scroll down until you can see your account and make sure to click on see all right here. Wait for it to load and scroll down once again, and under the account settings, you may be able to see the your addresses option. So click on your addresses, wait for it to load once again, and make sure to click on add a new address right here. Wait for it to load once again, and then fill in the necessary information of your address right here, including your full name, your phone number, your address, your city, your state, zip code, and you may also make this address as the default one. So make sure to click on add address right here, and then there you go. That's how you can change the delivery address on Amazon.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.